Hey everybody, this is Marisha Morris, your commercial broker. I am here to talk to you about tax time, and specifically not the taxes that you normally think of when you're speaking of your, taxes, the IRS. In this instance, I'm speaking of you as either a owner of the property, management of the property, leasing the property, you renting the property. So you being the tenant versus you being the owner. So when tax season comes around, there are things that you have in your lease which put you in different categories. So you could have a full service lease, you could have a lease where you're paying a base rent and paying a portion of the utilities, and there's different variations. So the way that the lease works and the way that tax time works is if you have CAM, which is your common area maintenance, those can be factored into your lease rate. So let's say that your CAM, your common area maintenance, is factored in at 80 cents per square foot. And at the end of the year, after reviewing all of the data, reviewing all the records, reviewing all the utilities, reviewing all of the records for the year's time frame, maybe the owner says, okay, well, this year, instead of 80 cents, it should be 90 cents. Or it could be, instead of 80 cents, it could be 70 cents. So the following year, when you're reviewing your taxes and you realize, oh, shoot, there was an error. It could be an error, or it could be an increase of usage or a decrease in usage. It doesn't just go away. So that this is what tax time is all about. So that amount will be either added on to your lease amount if you're not able to pay that increase, or most likely you won't receive a refund, but you could use the money in order to improve the property and get tenant improvements for you. Some things are added into your lease agreements, and it could be a brand new air conditioning unit if you're going to be there for long term, and you'll end up paying a portion of that over a period of time. So there's so many different factors that can fall into CAM, and what I would like to offer you that's viewing this is now up until March 25th, I am offering free of charge, which is a $200 value, to review your current lease. So give me a call, send me a text message, send me an email. I'll put my information somewhere in this video, and let me know. Say, hey, please review my lease. Please review the charges that I have. Please make sure that I am in the correct lease agreement for my industry, because all industries vary. This is Marisha Morris. I'm here to help you. Give me a call. I'm all for businesses, the ownership of business, but then also business opportunities, small businesses, and making sure that you thrive. So happy Monday. And remember, this expires March 25th.